Hey guys, my name is Dair and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a powerful DIY hair growth leave-in conditioner by using simple ingredients straight from your kitchen. If you struggle with thin hair, itchiness, or dryness, this remedy can really help. This treatment is made with powerful ingredients, and trust me, the results may surprise you. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
The first ingredient I'll be using is fresh aloe vera, which is already washed. I'll go ahead and start by removing the spiky edges to extract the gel. Aloe vera is nature's moisture reservoir. It hydrates dry hair, soothes the scalp, fights dandruff, improves thickness, and supports healthy hair growth. I am now removing the gel and adding it right into this bowl. For the second ingredient, I will use a carrot. I chose carrots not only for the natural color that they will give this conditioner, but also for their benefits. Carrots are rich in vitamins A and E, which help improve blood circulation to the scalp and create the perfect environment for hair growth. I'll now add both of these ingredients into my blender cup and blend it. After blending until smooth, this is how it looks like. I will now strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to get rid of any particles. This is the carrot and aloe vera juice after straining. As you can see, it looks very amazing. I already have my pan on the stove on low heat, so starting off, I'll be putting 2 spoonfuls of raw shea butter and letting it melt. Now that it's melted, I will add the juice right into the shea butter and let it sit for around 5 minutes until it's completely mixed and dried. Once your mixture looks like this, take it off the stove and let it cool down, then put it into the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes. This is how it looks like after removing it from the freezer. I'll be using my hand mixer to mix it and make it into that creamy consistency I want for my leave-in conditioner. will now stop for some essential oils. First, I'm adding argan oil. Next, I'm adding some rosehip seed oil. Now I'll be adding jojoba oil. The last oil I'll be adding is the oil I made in a couple of videos before this one, which I will link in the description box below. Now let's mix it up. So guys, this is how it looks like when I'm all done. This natural blend is designed to soften dry hair. It's not that your hair can't grow, it's not that complicated. The reality is that you need to understand what your hair loves, needs, and how to take care of it. Once you understand that, caring for your hair becomes natural, just like the way you care for a baby. With patience and consistency, your hair will respond. Here I have this container which I'll be using to store the leave-in conditioner in. Now that this potent leave-in conditioner is all done now, my advice for you is always remember to hydrate your hair before using this leave-in conditioner. Your hair is going to be much more thicker, healthier, and more manageable with this conditioner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please, let me know if you tried out this leave-in conditioner out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!